Unlocking ClickBank, a beginner's guide to making money for free. Welcome to the world of ClickBank. Imagine turning your passion into profit, all without spending a single penny up front. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply someone looking to earn extra income, ClickBank offers an incredible opportunity to make money through affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll explore how you can tap into ClickBank's vast marketplace of digital products and start earning commissions without any financial investment. From understanding the platform to crafting compelling content, you'll learn the essential steps to kickstart your journey. Your path to financial freedom begins here. Let's unlock the secrets of ClickBank together. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a method of earning income by promoting products or services created by others. In the context of ClickBank, a leading platform for digital goods, beginners can start for free by signing up as affiliates. Once registered, you can explore thousands of products across various niches and select those that align with your interests. You'll receive a unique affiliate link to share on blogs, social media, or websites. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, often up to 75%. This approach allows you to generate income without the hassle of product creation or inventory management. By leveraging ClickBank's extensive marketplace, beginners can build a profitable online business and start making money with little to no upfront costs. Number 1. Understand ClickBank. ClickBank is an online marketplace specializing in digital products, making it a popular choice for aspiring affiliate marketers. Founded in 1998, ClickBank connects creators of ebooks, online courses, software, and more with affiliates eager to promote these products. Signing up as an affiliate is free, allowing beginners to explore a vast range of high-commission products across diverse niches like health, finance, and personal development. The platform provides valuable tools and resources, such as analytics and marketing materials, to help affiliates succeed. With a user-friendly interface, ClickBank enables you to easily find trending products, generate unique affiliate links, and track your earnings. By leveraging ClickBank's extensive network, beginners can start earning money without any initial investment, making it an ideal entry point into affiliate marketing. Number 2. Create a ClickBank account. Creating a ClickBank account is a straightforward process that opens the door to earning money through affiliate marketing. Start by visiting the ClickBank website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to fill out a registration form, providing details such as your name, email address, and country. Choose a strong password to secure your account. After completing the form, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Join ClickBank. Once registered, you'll receive a confirmation email. Follow the link to activate your account. Next, log into your dashboard, where you can explore the ClickBank marketplace, select products to promote, and access valuable resources. This free and easy setup is the first step toward generating income by promoting digital products that resonate with your audience. Number 3. Find profitable products. Finding profitable products on ClickBank is essential for maximizing your affiliate marketing success. Start by logging into your ClickBank account and navigating to the marketplace. Here, you'll discover thousands of digital products across various niches, such as health, finance, and self-improvement. To identify lucrative opportunities, sort products by gravity, which indicates their popularity based on recent sales. Higher gravity scores often mean better earning potential. Additionally, examine the average commission earned per sale, focusing on products that offer attractive payouts. Look for well-designed sales pages and compelling product descriptions, as these can significantly impact conversion rates. Lastly, consider your interests and audience to ensure the products you choose resonate with them. By selecting high-quality, in-demand products, you'll be well on your way to generating income through ClickBank affiliate marketing. Number 4. Promote your chosen products. Promoting your chosen products on ClickBank effectively is crucial for driving sales and earning commissions. Start by creating valuable content that engages your audience. You can write blog posts, create YouTube videos, or share informative posts on social media platforms that relate to the products you're promoting. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within this content to encourage clicks. Leverage social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok to reach a broader audience. Use eye-catching visuals and persuasive captions to draw attention. Consider joining relevant online communities or forums to share insights and subtly introduce your affiliate links when appropriate. Additionally, email marketing can be a powerful tool. Build a list by offering freebies and regularly send out product recommendations. By consistently providing value and promoting your products creatively, you'll boost your chances of generating income through ClickBank. Number 5. Use free traffic methods. Using free traffic methods to promote ClickBank products is essential for beginners looking to maximize their earnings without spending money. Start by optimizing your content for search engines, SEO, to attract organic traffic to your blog or website. Focus on relevant keywords related to your niche to improve visibility. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to share engaging posts, infographics, or videos that highlight the products you're promoting. Participate in niche-specific forums and communities, offering valuable insights while subtly including your affiliate links. Answer questions on platforms like Quora, linking back to your blog or directly to the product. Collaborating with other content creators can also expand your reach. By employing these free traffic strategies, you can effectively promote ClickBank products and start generating income without any financial investment. Number 6. Track your performance. Tracking your performance on ClickBank is essential for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts and maximizing earnings. Once you start promoting products, use ClickBank's built-in analytics tools to monitor key metrics like clicks, conversions, and commission rates. Access your dashboard to view real-time reports that show which products are performing well and which strategies yield the best results. Pay attention to your conversion rates to identify any patterns. This will help you understand what resonates with your audience. Additionally, consider using tracking tools like Google Analytics to gain deeper insights into your traffic sources and user behavior. By regularly reviewing your performance data, you can adjust your marketing strategies, focus on high-converting products, and refine your promotional tactics. This proactive approach will significantly enhance your chances of success on ClickBank as a beginner affiliate marketer. Number 7. Scale your efforts. Scaling your efforts on ClickBank is crucial for increasing your earnings as a beginner affiliate marketer. Once you've found success with specific products, consider expanding your promotional strategies. Start by creating more content, write additional blog posts, produce videos, or develop email campaigns that highlight different aspects of the products you promote. Experiment with various platforms to reach wider audiences, such as TikTok, Pinterest, or LinkedIn, depending on your niche. You can also consider leveraging paid advertising options, like Facebook or Google Ads, to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with potential buyers, offering personalized product recommendations. Collaborate with other affiliates or influencers in your niche for cross-promotion opportunities. Thanks for joining me on this journey to uncover how to make money on ClickBank for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Have questions or success stories to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep hustling and happy earning.